Hi guys, today I'm gonna be creating this Queen of Hearts inspired eyeshadow look. Hope you guys will enjoy it, and I certainly hope that you guys will subscribe and hit the notification button for more updates. So first off, I'm starting off with this Kryolan Concealer in NB3 and I'm applying it all over my eyelid, basically to have the eyeshadow to pop a bit more than usual. Then I'm taking my finger and I'm just basically blending it in or setting it in. Then I'm going in with the M.A.C eyeshadow in ORB and I'm applying it on top of it just to set that concealer. And then this little heart shape I decided to create it myself from a sticky note basically, and because I wasn't able to draw, so I just decided why not just create one and just stick it on my eye and see if it will work. Then I decided to take the Decay full spectrum palette and I'm going in with that pink color which is called Gossip, and basically to just help outline that heart. Then to make the outline be more visible, I'm going in with a BYS cream eyeliner in white and I'm outlining that heart once again. From the Too Faced eyeshadow palette, I am going in with that Talk Dirty to Me eyeshadow and I'm using it to outline that heart once again, and I'm using this pencil brush, and then I'm using the concealer again, the same Kryolan Concealer in NB3, and I'm basically just cutting out that heart so it can look a bit more neater and pop out a bit more. And then from the Too Faced palette once again, I'm using the Peaches and Cream eyeshadow and I'm applying it in the center of the heart. From the TZ Cosmetix, I'm going in with that gold-ish glitter and I'm basically just applying it inside the heart. Again, I realized that my heart wasn't popping the way that I want, or it wasn't more visible, so I decided to go back to Urban Decay full spectrum palette and I went in with the eyeshadow called Platonic. On this other side of the eye, I basically use the same eyeshadows that I used on the other eyes, just slightly different because I wanted this eye to look a bit more different than the other one. And now I'm cutting out the crease with the same concealer again from Kryolan NB3, and I'm using the angled brush to cut out the crease. I decided to basically hold down my eye because this time my eye was not cooperating. It did not want to close, so I decided, girl, I'm just gonna pin you down. Again, I'm just taking the pink, again Gossip, and I'm applying it on the corner of the eye just to help it blend in a bit more with the other eyeshadow so it doesn't look a bit harsh. And then I'm applying the same glitter goldy eyeshadow. Then here I'm going in with the liquid liner from Essence in black. On the other heart shape eye, I just wanted something very like, I didn't want a thick eyeliner. I just wanted it to be very little, hardly noticeable. because I just wanted that eye to stand out on its own with the heart. And then on my other side of the eye, I decided to make it a bit thicker, so just to create a little bit of drama. The same colors that we used on top, I'm gonna use them at the bottom. And also guys, I decided to outline my waterline off camera. Sorry about that. Okay, now I'm going in with the e.l.f. mineral primer and applying it all over my face basically. And then I'm going in with my M.A.C NC45 foundation and using my beautiful beauty blender. Guys, I cannot live without this beauty blender. Like, I swear this is like hallelujah, holy grail. I love using my beauty blender. It just helps everything go on so smoothly. And then here I'm using the tone correcting concealer from e.l.f. Cosmetix, and this is in Ivory. I like it because it's not so thick, so if you're not the type of person who likes thick concealers, this would work just fine. It's very subtle. And then highlighting the nose of my bridge and blending it all out. Okay, and the center of my nose as well. See, so subtle concealer. And then I'm using the LA Girl palette, and I'm basically going in. It's actually called the LA Girl Glam palette, a blush collection, and basically using it, the brown shade, to contour the sides of my cheeks. And then I'm going in with the banana powder from Benye, and the same places that I highlighted with the e.l.f. concealer, I'm just gonna do the same with the powder. I'm not a cream type of girl when it comes to contouring. I actually prefer using powders. For some reason, I find that sometimes it depends. It works well. I've got a love and hate type of relationship. And here I was just being a little bit dorky or silly, if you must say. I was just having fun. Not everything is about being serious sometimes. Then from the Anastasia Beverly Hills glow kit, I decided to go ahead and use a highlighter, and it's one of my favorite highlighters. And this one is in Dripping in Gold, that's the name of it. And then I'm going in with the Essence Instant Matte